Alright, Tanner's gonna take you for a ride in this beast. Trick. Yes, there is got a trick with this one. That button starts World War III right there.
Yes, it does.
Trying to find the seatbelt.
This car is much more easy to drive, I guess you could call it. A little more civilized in the driving department, not the noise department.
Should I open the window? It's the same controls, but yeah.
They inverted them though.
Of course, I think it's easy. What year is this?
15.
2015 Lamborghini Huracan. This has a special exhaust on it?
Yes. It's not stock. Find a spot.
And this car's for sale?
Yes, it is.
How much do they want for it?
$215.
$215,000?
Yes.
And this is not a wrap. This is paint, right?
This is paint. All right. Give myself a little bit more space. Let's see. All right. I got enough. I'm gonna give it.
I know
full throttle.
you're not gonna scare the crap out of me again, are you? Okay. All right.
That was 90.
Yeah.
This is my favorite car to drive, and it's also the one that I'd probably go to jail if I ever owned.
about 80%.